sit at your desk thinking, sigurado ako magugustuhan to ng mga tao kasi paborito ko to. You are just setting yourself up for failure. When you launch paid ads, you are stepping out of your bedroom, the trap, and forcing your idea to face the cold, hard reality of the marketplace. The market does not lie to you. If your CPA, cost per acquisition, is too high and your metrics aren't profitable after enough testing, it's a clear signal from the market na kailangan na nating mag-pivot. It's either you change the offer, tweak the messaging, the funnel, if there's a friction, or change the product. Processing this data objectively is what separates successful business owners from emotional entrepreneurs. Huwag yung itago yung mga idea natin. Stop trying to raise heavy capital from family or friends and building complicated systems for an unproven concept. We have now all of the capabilities using digital. We have AI now. We have social media platforms.